coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I got something I'm going to use for a spicy noodle mukbang. It sounded like, I don't know, I just kind of wanted to try something I haven't tried before, and I figured there's got to be something that I can find at the store, and I found it yesterday, and it is, what the heck is this guy? Chef Nick's Noodles. I hope he doesn't mind that I'm eating his noodles, but there's a bunch of boxes there for sale, so I'm guessing he's not the one who's buying it. Anyways, yeah. Hot and spicy. Okay. I can get with that. I'm going to try something new with this, too. I got a new ingredient. But here's what you get in the box. By the way, these aren't cheap. These are like $5 a pop. I don't know. I think the whole box thing is really cool, but, you know, it's a box. And a noodle block. These look somewhat familiar. I don't know. They got little bears on them. I don't know if you can see that, but they're little tiny little bears. And then there's see, look, there's another bear grasping a pepper. That one's liquid. This one's another liquid one. And then there's, look at that. Yeah. So the noodles cook for 3 minutes. So let's get those going. It's important to note that there was a lot of non-English on the packaging and a lot of English on the packaging. But as far as the directions went, the only thing, as far as the number, was the number 3. So we're going with that was the cooking dealio. Oh, what are we gonna do now? Dude. I'm just like the luckiest guy in the world. Look at all these Monopoly tickets. I feel like a millionaire. Let's see what we have won today. If anything. We've won nothing. There's one. Nothing. I don't want to win boiled over noodles. I win that way too much. By the way, the mukbang is going to feature my daughter Miriam. Oh, 50 cents off Tabasco green pepper sauce. That's odd. Only the green, huh? Tabasco's alright, but... And the green is actually a good one. The habanero one's good. It has a mango base to it. I like that. I used to make hot sauce. Dove bar soap. They really think I'm stinky. I'm not. I bathe. But I used to make hot sauce, and I would use carrot baby food, sometimes mango baby food, because it's like, it's pureed, so that works a lot easier. These noodles a stir. 3 minutes, huh? Three minutes. And let's try another one of these. Already went walking today. 50 cents off Atkins snack bars. Sure, doing the low carb thing, I suppose. And in this one we have wow. And we instant winner. More tickets. Forget it. I get lots of those. You can waste more time. Free for you. And we got time for like one more. Okay. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I can't even open one of these in 12 seconds. And I get 50 cents off more soap. I'm not stinky, you jakes. Alright, let's give this a stir. Yep. Here's what the noodles look like right now. And there's a picture of, here's Chef Nick holding his noodle. And then here is the noodles. So hey, you know, that's a pretty decent approximation. I'm impressed. I was thinking that was going to be like a BS picture, but that actually is really how it looks when you hold up Nick's noodle. So. You know what I think? I think YouTube should make a deal where you spend like $50 a year and you have access to use in your videos the entire catalog that's on Google Play. Or Google Play Music, rather. I would throw some of the most interesting music for you fools to listen to in this. You'd be like, who is that? Who's this? And you already are. You're like, wow, what was that music that you were playing? It's like, that's this place called Epidemic Sound. That's what this is. And it's like people get a royalty when they use it, I guess. But oh, so that tasted like it was kind of like soy sauce, which is standard for a dry noodle. So I'm gonna give that a stir. Stirring music for you. Stirring the noodles, stirring those noodles, those wacky noodles. And this one looks to be some kind of spicy oil, I'm guessing. That a stir. And finally, I'm guessing this sucker is just Szechuan pepper. I really don't know, but it's nice. They make it so you can decide how much or how little you want to use. Oh yeah, that's Szechuan pepper. It's kind of got that. You can tell it's got almost like a lemoniness to it. You can use as much or as little as you. Oh, oops! I dumped it all in. Oh darn! And then just give it a good. Some people might garnish it on top. I prefer just to dump the whole sucker in there. And I mentioned this is for a mukbang, but I'll taste it right now. I'll let you know my thoughts on the situation at hand. Alright. There you go. I like that. Now, is it spicy? Yeah. Of course, your question. Is it top 10 spicy? We'll see once I finish the bowl, but this is a pretty rare occurrence. I haven't done a spicy noodle mukbang in a little while, I don't think. Oh, the last one I did was the teppanyaki. That's right. Let's see. That'll work. Let's see what happens here. Don't get on the camera. There. Okay. What are we going to throw on here today? I think we're going to be pretty mellow. Got a couple slices of pork. Something I haven't tried before, which you get to see me try in the video, a tea egg. Spring onion, and oh, it's supposed to be spicy. I'll use black sesame just because that gives it a little bit more of a hey. All right, Rotato, work your magic, if you will. Alright, so this is the last one for the week. I want to thank everybody for watching, and yeah, I'm going to go scarf this down on Spicy Noodle Mukbang, so have a good one. Bye.